Fish on. And then run with it a little while. This is the last one. What is this? Pull. Little guy, little guy, little guy. Perfectly hooked on the side. Look at that. River work. Should I say creek work? There you go. Little guy. Baby dink, 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 dink. Splash. Dink work. Man, he tore my worm up though.